Okay, well, right now we're going to have a Martini Monday frustration day. So if you really want to get into some frustration, let's go. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Hey guys. Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back, because guess what day it is?
It's Martini Monday.
Yeah.
We are continuing our salute to Citrus.
Hello, Citrus.
Hello, Citrus. With a grapefruit martini today.
Kelly's a huge fan of grapefruit.
I am a big fan of the grapefruit, and we're gonna tweak this recipe just a little bit because all of the recipes that we found online
Called for just regular vodka.
Yeah, so we're gonna tweak it.
And we're gonna use grapefruit vodka. Deep Eddy grapefruit vodka.
Because it comes from the great state of
Texas.
Yeehaw. So yeah. And we're also going to use some simple syrup in ours too.
Yeah, because we're going to try to sweeten it up just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Because, you know, my sweetie needs to be sweet.
Just a little bit. I do like my drinks a little bit
yeah,
on the
you do. I like
side.
it a little bit on
I know, you like yours a little bit on the tart side.
Mm-hmm.
And we are not, oh, Bob's going to break a glass.
I'm going to try.
We are not going to rim these glasses with anything. So they're going to be naked rims.
Since we're using simple syrup,
yes.
We don't need it any sweeter.
Exactly. So, you ready to make this bad boy?
I am ready to make this bad boy. So we start off with, you know, we're chilling our glasses with ice, and we're going to use this ice in our shaker. So
yep.
It's dual purpose.
Dual purpose ice.
Take our shaker, and we need 4 ounces of grapefruit juice.
Sorry, I'm in the way.
We're starting with the grapefruit juice.
Starting with, and we did not fresh squeeze our grapefruit
Holy
juice.
crap,
I know
it's
heavy. We're just going to use regular old.
Yeah,
ruby
good
red
old ocean
grapefruit
spray.
juice. No,
It's
we're
not-
making it easy today.
Yeah.
So 4 ounces. This is it's going to yield 2
Yes.
cocktails.
2
And I will
5-ounce cocktails.
I will put the recipe down below.
So there's that. Now may I have the vodka?
The
please?
vodka, and we are using, like we said, grapefruit vodka. You can use regular vodka if you want to.
4 ounces.
4 ounces, once again. So far we have
2.
equal parts juice and vodka.
Yes.
Grown-up juice and not grown-up juice.
There's
Right.
4.
And we are also going to put triple sec in here. If you don't know what triple sec is,
It's a citrus liqueur.
Liqueur.
Yes.
so
It's got oranges on the label. So anyway, here we go.
yep,
2 ounces of that.
dose.
One of these days I'm gonna get fancy and pre-pour.
Ooh,
That's gonna be nice.
that is going to be
That's
nice.
gonna be something I look forward to seeing.
And we're going to add 2 teaspoons of our pre-made simple syrup.
And
Once again, if you don't know what simple syrup is, you can make it easily at home. Don't go buy it.
this is a 2 teaspoon
Yeah.
measure, so
It's in 1-to-1, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water. Boil it till the sugar dissolves. Bam.
bam.
There you go. We just keep ours in the fridge in a little container.
Yes. We're adding our ice.
Because we want it to be nice and cold.
Nice and cold. Put on my shake. Oops, I think I had too much in there. Too much ice. Take some ice out.
We're going to take some ice out.
I'll be back.
I'll be back. Please hold for ice removal.
I didn't want to be gross and use my hands, so I don't want to get any messages.
You don't want any gross hand messages?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like, ew, yuck, you put your hands in it.
Put your hands in it.
It's alcohol, it's sanitized. Hopefully this is enough.
Does that
Looks
work?
like it. Oh yeah.
Shake that bad boy up.
We didn't get the strainer.
Oh, I'll get the strainer.
You want to shake it till you get frost on your shaker? A little frost on your shaker.
Frost on your shaker.
And then it always makes the lid hard to get off.
Strainer.
No, this is the strainer right here.
Oh, I hear it. I hear it. There we go.
Well, that was quite a vacuum.
Yeah. Oh, it's a very pretty pink color.
It is, and we're going to do equal measures in our martini glasses.
Yeah, don't show me. Ooh, look at that.
I love it. It's so pretty.
Emma will like this color. She likes pink. This almost looks like a flamingo.
Flamingo.
I think that has a lot to do with our grapefruit vodka is pink.
Oh, but it's pretty.
It is very pretty. And we're going, you know, like super simple. We have no garnish for this bad boy either, so we're just going straight up hardcore martini.
Straight up.
Right?
Hardcore.
Yeah.
You got it.
So let's give her a taste.
Let's give her a tink.
Cheers. I think.
Slanche.
Oh, that's good.
That just tastes like grapefruit juice to me.
It does.
It's like, oh, this one will,
This one will kick your seat. I like it. It's got enough sweetness for me, but you can still taste the grapefruit.
Yeah, and there's a little twinge of alcohol in there.
Just a little bit.
But it's not much.
No.
Now, if you wanted more of an alcohol taste, you would not use grapefruit vodka.
Right.
You would use regular vodka.
Yeah, I like this.
And there is a difference between the two. When you got a flavored vodka, the alcohol content is a little lower. So that's why we changed it to 2 ounces.
Yeah, and this
for
one
each
is
one.
a little bit on the sweeter side. So if you like your martinis a little bit sweeter.
Or a little bit more, leave off the simple syrup if you don't like it sweet.
Right.
And it'll be
I'm
fine.
kind of glad we added the simple syrup.
I like the simple syrup. I'm not a sweet kind of drink person, but it's just enough.
It's just, yeah, it's not overly sweet.
Yeah,
But if you need your martini kind of a little bit on the sweeter side, this is a good one.
it's just enough.
Just enough.
So we're gonna drink this, and we're gonna get on with our day.
Grapefruit Martini. Hope you enjoy it. Let us know if you give this bad boy a try.
Yeah.
Or any of our citrus martinis. We have one more.
And catch us next week, because we're gonna do the key lime
that's
pie.
right. We're gonna do key lime pie
Key lime
martini next
pie
week. I'm
martini.
excited for that one
I am
too.
too.
This is a good one. I
Yeah.
like this one too. So far, we're 3 for 3.
Mm-hmm.
Haven't had one yet that I didn't like.
No.
Yeah. So if you enjoyed this video, please do us a huge big favor. Hit the subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up. And let us know in the comments down
Let us
below.
know if you want to see Kelly tipsy. Because it's starting to take effect already.
Not yet. I'm having a hot flash though. So.
Oh, we need to go.
Okay, we're gonna go.
We will see you
All right.
next week.
Thanks for watching.
Have a great day.
Cheers. Love you.
Love
Bye.
you. Bye.